Friday, May 15th, 2026. Focus. No one will take your joy from you. There is a powerful image of a little girl clinging to a small toy, blind to the truth that Jesus wants to place something much bigger and better in her hands, if only she will release what she is reluctant to surrender. This picture beautifully mirrors our own faith journey with the Lord. He waits for us to surrender the things that bind and blind us so that He can bless us with all that He has lovingly prepared for us. The secular world rejects Christ's way of faith, hope, and love, and seeks to undermine or even destroy those who choose to walk His path. Yet, when we reflect on today's gospel, we discover a deeper truth. Faithful Christians will ultimately triumph. Though they may be misrepresented, ridiculed, or even punished for living by gospel values, God's favor rests upon them. Their joy is rooted not in worldly approval but in divine promise, a joy that no one can take away. We can also draw inspiration from St. Paul. It is the Lord who anoints us and empowers for His mission that goes far beyond our natural abilities or skills. Like true faith warriors, we are called to keep pressing onward, advancing even deeper into territory where God's light is most needed. Fruit. In my fidelity to Christ and any suffering it may bring, I will remember that my sorrow will turn into joy.